Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I've come on here now today because I have another parcel to unwrap and I'm out in my lounge room, as you probably would have known if you've been watching the other videos. Now this one here is from Lenneke Plat and she is in the Netherlands and she's sent me an entry in my challenge and oh look at this, oh. It's a nice card. Well, I say that when I've seen the envelope, but I'm sure there's a nice card in there. Oh, look, there is. Look at that. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, dear, aren't they beautiful? Nice little things. Okay, so it says, Dear Sonia, congratulations on YouTube, 5 years on YouTube. Well done. Hope you like my entry and can make some nice things with them. I hope I can do that. So, Lynn's Crafty Life is her YouTube channel, okay? So, if anybody wants to go and have a look, actually, I need to go myself and have a look because I have so many things that I just have to find everybody. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Oh, wow. Isn't that nice? Oh, I do love that. It's a beautiful colour and lovely texture, and here comes another piece. Look at it. Isn't it lovely? Oh, thank you so much. It's so beautiful. And the one with the little flowers. Oh, this is nice. Wow. I wonder what that is made out of. That's an interesting piece of material. That's an interesting piece. Look at that. Isn't that nice? And here's another piece. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, I do love that. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much. And I've got a nice piece of lace. It's all open with that. Oh, I do love that. Oh, wow. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. It's so nice for you to do that for me. Thank you so much. I really do love it all. It's so pretty. And the beautiful puppy dogs. And thank you so much for entering in my challenge, and thank you everybody for watching, and I'll talk to you later.